So paying po siya guys kasi maraming beses na po akong nakapag-withdraw dito. So kung i-check natin dito sa withdrawal history ko. Alright, so as you can see guys, ito po yung mga transaction history ng withdrawal ko dito sa BitSpree. So masasabi ko guys na talagang legit po talaga siya. Kung interesado kayo sa mga extra income online, legit paying application na pwedeng pagkakitaan or any application tricks, i-check nyo lang yung mga videos ko dito sa channel ko and don't forget to subscribe and press mo na rin yung notification bell para updated ka sa mga future uploads ko. Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video guys, mag-share lang po ako ng isang free PTC or paid to click site na kung saan ay makakakuha tayo ng free bitcoins with no investment by just claiming free bits every hour, complete offers, visit websites, and many more. So dito guys, meron po silang tinatawag na bits. So yan po yung ma-earn nyo and mako-convert nyo po yan into Bitcoin and you can withdraw using your Faucet Hub or your Bitcoin wallet address. So yun nga guys, dito you can earn up to 50,000 free Satoshi every hour. So before we proceed guys, ma-appreciate ko po kung ilalike nyo na po yung video and let's do the shoutout first. So shoutout nga pala kay Gain Money and Tricks. Shoutout din kay Anthony LCM. Shoutout din kay Sarah TV. Shoutout din kay Acro. Shoutout din kay Jimboy. Shoutout din kay Prince William. Shoutout din kay Eric Ladad. Shoutout din kay Nick Strix. Shoutout din kay Jessica Castillo and shoutout sa inyong lahat. Alright guys, so all you have to do here is mag-sign up lang muna kayo and ilalagay ko na lang yung link ng site na to dyan sa my description. So dito guys, as soon as na nakapag-login na kayo, all you have to do here is claim your free bits every hour. So to claim your free bits, i-enter nyo lang po yung CAPTCHA word dito. And then after that, just click roll and win. Alright guys, so as you can see, I claimed 20 bits and dito nyo makikita yung account balance nyo guys. So refresh lang natin. So ayan guys, as you can see, pumasok na po dito sa balance ko yung na-claim ko na free 20 bits. And all you have to do here guys para makaklaim kayo ng another free bits is maghihintay po kayo ng another 1 hour. Alright guys, so if you want to earn more free bits is pwede nyo pong i-check dito sa taas yung faucet, PTC ads, short links, and offer wall. So pwede nyo i-check dito sa PTC ads. Click nyo lang yan. Then dito guys, all you have to do is i-click nyo lang yung mga link na to or i-visit nyo lang itong mga site na to. So let's say, try natin itong i-visit itong first where we will get a reward of 10 bits. So as you can see here guys, wait nyo lang na matapos yung loading na yan and makiklaim na po natin yung free bits. So dito guys, sagutan nyo lang to, select the image that does not belong in the row. So ito. Alright, so as you can see, I received 10 bits. Balik tayo dun sa main dashboard natin. So as you can see guys, pumasok na po dito sa account balance ko yung na-earn ko na free 10 bits. So ganun lang kadali guys para maka-earn kayo ng free bitcoins dito. Magki-claim lang kayo ng free bits every hour and pwede rin kayong mag-take ng mga PTC ads, short links, and offer walls. And if you want to earn more is meron din po silang referral where you will receive 10% of their faucet claims for life. So to withdraw your funds here is click nyo lang tong withdraw na button dito sa left side. And dito guys, pwede kayong mamili, pwede nyong gamitin yung Faucet Hub nyo or using your Bitcoin wallet. So for the Bitcoin wallet, i-click nyo lang yung withdraw. And then dito guys, yung minimum na withdrawal po for Bitcoin wallet is 0.0008 BTC. And kung gagamitin nyo naman po yung Faucet Hub account nyo, yung minimum withdrawal po dito is 0.001 BTC. So paying po siya guys kasi maraming beses na po akong nakapag-withdraw dito. So kung i-check natin dito sa withdrawal history ko. Alright, so as you can see guys, ito po yung mga transaction history ng withdrawal ko dito sa Bitspree. So masasabi ko guys na talagang legit po talaga siya. So yun lang muna guys yung short video ko about dito sa Bitspree, and kung nagustuhan nyo tong video na to, please don't forget to subscribe and click nyo na rin yung notification bell para updated kayo sa mga next upload ko.